Hello and welcome to our assembly today. If you've not joined us before, then you will soon probably meet a friend of ours called Scooper, who's been joining us on all of these assemblies so far. So I don't know when he's going to come, but you will no doubt meet him soon. Each week we've been looking at something from the book of Proverbs in the Bible, which teaches us a little bit about how to live wisely and how to live well. So, sounds like Scooper's here.
Oh, hi Mark.
Hi Scooper, how are you?
Yeah, I'm well, thank you.
Good.
Are we in time for today's assembly?
You're just in time. We've just started recording, but we're all ready to go, yeah.
Oh, good. Well, what will we be thinking about today?
Well, we've got something quite special this week because two of your friends have recorded a little bit of a play for us, a little bit of a video which we're going to watch.
Oh, who?
Caleb and Nicole.
Oh, they're my friends.
They're very good at acting, actually, Scooper. I was really impressed with them.
They are good at acting. Mark, can I do some acting as well? I'm good at acting. To be or not to be?
Scooper, that's wonderful. But unfortunately, as I said, Caleb and Nicole have already recorded this for us. So maybe another time you can be involved. But for now, perhaps we better just sit and watch what Caleb and Nicole have recorded for us. Are you all right with that?
Yes, that is a good idea.
Okay, well, let's see what we've got from Caleb and Nicole.
All right then.
Thanks.
Oh, Caleb, I am so glad that it's almost the weekend.
Oh, me too. My brain feels ready to explode after all those fractions.
I know what you mean. I'm so ready for a rest. I'm hoping that we can go to a country park tomorrow. My mum says she'll try and keep the afternoon free.
Well, the football team I'm in are in the cup final tomorrow.
Really?
Oh yes, we're the best team in the area and we'll win for sure.
Don't you think you better just wait and see before staying there?
Wait and see? I don't need to wait and see. I know we're going to win. Not only that, but I'm going to score at least 2 goals like I always do.
Oh, well, you sound very sure.
That's because I am sure. Oh, there goes the bell.
Bye, Caleb. I hope the game goes well.
Don't worry, it will. Bye.
Hi, Caleb.
Oh, hi Nicole.
How did the game go on Saturday? You lost.
Yes, 5-1.
Oh no! But did you score the goal like you said you would?
Yes, I scored.
Oh, that's good.
But I scored in my own goal. Oh, Nicole, I was so embarrassed.
Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that, Caleb. You must have felt awful.
Yes, I did. And you know what I remembered when it happened?
What?
I remembered what you said on Friday, that maybe I should have just waited to see how the game would go. You were right, Nicole. Anyway, did you get to go to the country park?
Yes, I did. It was so good. Caleb,
Yeah?
if we get to go again, Mum says that you can come.
Really? Oh, thanks, Nicole. You're a good friend. Oh, Mark, that was a good drama.
They did really well, Caleb and Nicole, didn't they?
They did.
Well, based on what you saw in their little play there, what do you think the proverb is going to be about this week for our assembly?
School children?
Not really, not exactly.
Football?
No, not particularly. They're all part of it though, but
Oh, I can't guess.
shall I read the proverb?
Yes,
Would
please.
that be a good thing to do? Let me see if I can find it. Hang on, here we go. It's Proverbs 27 verse 1. It says this: never boast about what is going to happen tomorrow. You don't know what will happen between the time of your boasting and tomorrow arriving.
Ooh. Oh, I know, Mark. It's about boasting.
That's right, Scooper. It's about boasting.
Oh, reminds me of Caleb.
Hmm.
When he thought he knew what was going to happen at the football match.
And it didn't work out that way, did it?
No.
See, the thing is, we don't really know exactly what tomorrow's going to bring, do we?
No.
In fact, well, I've got something here that you might be interested in.
Ooh. What have you got?
I've got to ask you a question first, Scooper. Do you like presents?
Yes.
Are you sure you like presents?
I'm sure.
Absolutely sure.
Quite sure.
Okay, I just wanted to check because some people don't like presents, I'm
Ooh.
told. It's a bit strange, isn't it, really? But
Yeah.
Here we go. Well, I've got a present here. It's
Whoa.
very big. Do you want to have a see? Look,
What's inside?
Let's see if you can guess.
I can hear a bell? Something like that?
There's something rattling around in there, isn't there?
Sounds very interesting, Mark.
It does. Well, you see, I'm not going to let you open this
Oh.
yet, Scooper. I know that's disappointing, but with a present like at Christmas and at your birthday, you just have to wait for it, don't you, really?
Yeah.
And Christians think that, well, each day is a bit like a present to us from God.
Ooh.
And if we get a bit too impatient and a bit too boastful, about this is going to happen tomorrow, I know what I'm going to do tomorrow,
Oh.
it's a bit like not really being very good at waiting to open your presents at Christmas or on your birthday.
Oh, I see that.
See, every day Christians think is something God has given us, and there's something special for us to unwrap each
Oh.
day.
Like a gift.
Like a gift, that's right. And so, well, we don't want to unwrap it too early. And if we did, well, it would spoil it. Just think, if you are constantly thinking about what might happen tomorrow, how might that make you feel, do you think?
Ooh, maybe a bit worried.
Well, it could make you feel worried. That's absolutely right. And maybe you wouldn't need to be worried at all.
No.
It could also mean you're not really concentrating on today. I mean, have you ever been in class and you know that after school you're going to do something really exciting? Going out to get an ice cream, for example.
Oh, yes.
Now, is it easy to concentrate on what your teacher's telling you then?
Actually, Mark, no, it's not.
That's the trouble. You see, if we're always thinking about tomorrow and always boasting about what might happen tomorrow, then actually we don't really enjoy the present that today is.
Oh, Mark, thank you so much. That has been really helpful. And I'm going to go now. And when I get to school, I'm going to tell Caleb and Nicole that their drama was really, really good and very helpful.
Good, you do that because they did really well. And it's been nice to see you again, Scooper.
Thank you.
We'll see you soon.
Bye.
Bye. Do you know, I'm sitting here and it's so tempting when you've got a present on the table next to you. I really, really want to unwrap it. But that's not really the point. To be honest, I'm not even sure it's meant for me. But there's something about it being there and you just want to do it. And sometimes it is a bit like that when we've got things we're looking forward to tomorrow or the next day. We start living for them and we don't actually enjoy today as much as we can. And maybe we start boasting about how it's going to be and maybe we get it all wrong. I'm going to read that proverb again, the one we read right early on in our assembly, Proverbs 27 verse 1. Never boast about what is going to happen tomorrow. You don't know what will happen between the time of your boasting and tomorrow arriving. I want to encourage us as we end our assembly just to think about every day as a present, something new. Let's unwrap and enjoy today, and then we can thank God for that and unwrap and enjoy the present of the next day. You see, Christians believe that God always wants to give us good gifts. Every day, Christians believe is a gift from God. And the best gift that God gives is the gift of Jesus, who, whether the day is going well or whether it's going badly, as Christians, we know we can talk to him and that he hears us and that he'll be with us. That's the best present of all, however your day is going. So I'm going to do that just now. I'm going to say a short prayer and thank God for his gift of today and for all the good gifts that he gives us. And if you want to join in, please feel free to close your eyes or to say amen at the end. If you don't want to, just feel free to sit and listen. Dear God, thank you that you give us such wonderful presents, that every day is a present from you. Thank you for the gift of today. Help us not to run ahead to tomorrow in our minds, but to be able to make the most of today. Help us not to boast, but help us to remember that every day is a gift from you. And thank you for Jesus, the best gift of all. Amen.